What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about how to file an insurance claim. This should be the most basic thing that you ever have to know about your insurance policy, but newsflash, most people don't even know how to do it. So I'm going to walk you through the very easy steps so that you won't be confused about, do I call my agent? Do I call my company? Do I use an app? What do I do when I need to file a claim? The whole reason you have insurance in the first place. So let's get into it. So the first thing you should do if you're in a claim situation is make sure you are safe. If you've had an auto accident, make sure you and the passengers in your vehicle are safe. If you have a homeowner's claim, if you've got some damage to your house, if there's a fire, if there's lightning, make sure you're safe and don't worry about the property at that moment. After you're safe, then you can move on to the next step, documentation. If you have a claim, make sure that you document what's going on. Take pictures of the damage. Take pictures of anything that's been scorched by fire, if it's a fire in your house. Take pictures of an auto accident, of the damage to your vehicle. Any kind of evidence and proof that you have that you can give to an adjuster later is going to be excellent moving forward. And the third thing that you need to do if you're in a claim situation is call your insurance company. Don't call your agent, don't call your mom and dad, don't call anyone but your insurance company first. And the reason is because the insurance company is the one with the claims department. So your agent definitely needs to know, and I'm going to get into that in a second. But the third thing you need to do after you are safe and after you have documented what's going on is to call your insurance company and report the claim as soon as possible. That lets them know what they need to do. They will kick into action, assign you an adjuster, and go ahead and start the process of getting you to recover so you can be back where you were before an accident ever occurred. Now, some of you are saying, okay, I know I need to call my company, but how do I know who to call? What's the number? So everyone has a card, right, that has all your insurance information on it. That card will have your claims number absolutely 100% of the time. If for some reason you don't know where your card is, you're supposed to, but whatever. If you don't know where your card is, odds are you've got a phone that can connect to the internet. You can look up your company's information there. The other way you can look up that information and sometimes file the claim directly to the company is through their app. If you are with auto owners, or if you are with Progressive, or you are with some other company, almost all of them now have apps that you can use that you can put claims information into directly, and they will also have your claims number if you need to make that phone call. Alliance Insurance also does have an app that you can do a lot of this stuff with as well. So if you're one of our clients already, go ahead and download that right now. So when are you going to tell your agent? After you've done all the steps that I just mentioned, that's when you should go ahead and let your agent know. Now, even if you don't want to do that, if you are so busy, so wrapped up in what's going on, you've reported the claim to whatever company you happen to be with, you don't want to talk to your agent at that moment, you've got a lot that you are dealing with. Don't worry about it. Your agent's going to be informed by the company, so you don't even have to do anything if you don't want to. If you do want to, go ahead and reach out to them. You can call them, you can email them, you can let them know however you want to. In fact, most agents, including Alliance Insurance, even accept text messages. You can text us at our normal office number. Whatever you want to do to contact us, feel free to go ahead and do that. Your agent needs to know for one main reason, and that's to make sure you are safe, to make sure you're protected. If you have questions about what the claims process is going to be like, if you have questions about what my coverage is, that's where your agent's going to really step up and let you know so that you can feel secure and be reminded why you went with that agent in the first place and why you got the policy that you did. And if you discover gaps in coverage during a claims process, well, that's a learning experience that you can take with you and next time know, hey, I need to add this to my policy. Okay guys, look, I go into more detail on the blog that's attached to this video for all kinds of different claim scenarios, individually for auto, individually for homeowners, even boat and motorcycle stuff. So if you have any questions about those particular types of policies, then go ahead and read the blog and you can have all that information right there. But if not, and you are not currently an Alliance customer, this is the point where I'm going to say you should be. So go ahead and click on the link below and find out how easy it would be to go with Alliance and get the protection and service that you really need and find out what sets us apart. So if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up or even subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk soon.